So here's the exercise. So we're going to do this first. If the method, did I show? The method is the hint is using object prototype toString call. If that seems a little weird, the reason why we have people go through this exercise is because we will be stealing. This is kind of like I forgot the name for this. The objects that are kind of part of JavaScript. Like, so we'll be stealing arrays methods. We'll be using them for our own devices. Here we're using an objects toString method for our own devices on other objects. What is the word? Mark, help me out. I totally forgot what the word for that is.
I always said hijack, but that's
there's a phrase. Yeah, there's a phrase for like what this is called. It's not like, yeah, I don't remember it. OK, I'll look it up. It's like drawing a blank. But we do this stuff a lot. A lot of libraries do this stuff where they'll steal.
Fork?
It's not a fork. It's when you like use splice, but on your own like array-like object. But it's not. Do you know what I mean? Like jQuery does it all over the place. I forgot the name of it though. It's like not. It's kind of like duck punching, but there's another turn of phrase that it's called. I forgot what it's called. I'll try to remember it. Anyways, this is kind of a common pattern, stealing these type of methods, but using them on your own type of objects. So we want to introduce that here where it's simple, so it kind of you're used to it later. So any questions about this exercise before we start? No? All right, so just to recap, it's weird to think about, but it's more simple than you might think. You're really just using this object prototype toString call method and making sure that it returns object array. And as long as it does, then you know it's an array. And you will be implementing that in here. So that's your object. And you just want this to return true or false if this thing is truly an array.